Welcome to today's hands-on on materialized views. We'll be opening a SQL query here in our SQL editor. So first things first, we need to create one materialized views. So let me first select the correct catalog and the correct schema, that is demo schema, which we have created as a part of this hands-on. So materialized views, let me run this. So materialized views are basically they basically store query results for faster performance. So we can see here it's using a group by from the um, our table, that is it's selecting some specific columns and is doing an average of the age. If there are many cities, people living in many cities, we want to find out the average age. That is what this materialized view in a nutshell is doing. And there we go, it says the operation was successfully executed. Looks good. I'll open a new tab here, query, to verify the results, which is select statement. That is, we'll be using a select statement on our materialized view. Let's select the correct catalog, demo catalog, and then demo schema here. I'll run. It says running, and there we go with the output. So the average age is this for each city. So basically this materialized view has found what are the average age persons living in each city. So this is what it is. So materialized views, we have seen it basically stores query results, and it's a fast, like we don't have to write the entire query. It can be a big query. For this demo I've used some basic aggregations like average, group by, but in real life it can be hundreds and thousands of lines of SQL code as well, right? So how do we do it? We create a materialized views and get to see output as per our business requirement. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let's meet in our next lecture.